quote surged amid a plunge in the value of the US dollar. The price immediately returned to the level of $75 per barrel, and the price of crude oil will remain under the influence of an inverse correlation with a greenback. However, the global energy demand-supply ratio is currently of a greater importance. Demand seems to stay unchanged, whereas supply is gradually increasing. Of course, OPEC Plus will make sure there is no shortage of oil in the market, but the very possibility of that is a long-term driving factor for crude prices. Therefore, quotes will likely be slowly heading toward the level of $80 per barrel. In addition, oil traders have priced in China's decision to cut the key policy rate, which may trigger a certain growth momentum needed to improve the state of the Chinese economy, which is the largest oil importer. Yesterday, Brent futures advanced sharply by over 3%, and the price remained in the uptrend after reaching the lower limit of the sideways range. If the current price movement gets momentum, quotes may hit toward the level of $78 per barrel, which is the upper limit of the sideways range. Gold traders paid close attention to the ECB's rate decision yesterday. When the regulator revealed its intention to keep raising rates further, the greenback plunged and gold strengthened. Quotes returned to the level of $1,960 per troy ounce, and the ECB's decision will also affect gold as the yield on European bonds will increase. And this means that safe havens, including gold, will see outflows of funds to the European bond market. Amid a possible decrease in demand, the metal will hardly grow to the level of $2,000 per troy ounce. When excitement subsides somewhat, quotes will likely gravitate toward the mark of $1,900 per troy ounce, and the dollar-ruble pair is consolidating at around 84. Yesterday's steep decline in the volume of the dollar has hardly affected the price of the Russian ruble. At some point, it showed some growth, but then instantly reversed and returned to the previous levels. The Russian ruble is weak because of the Bank of Russia and the Ministry of Finance. They need the national currency to be weak to improve the situation with the balance of payments. Therefore, the pair will likely keep heading toward the level of 85. And that's all for now. We continue to follow developments in the financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with us. We look forward to watching new videos on our channel in a couple of hours. See you soon.